Welcome to another EUP1501 tutorial session. This tutorial session is brought to you by Kali Tutors. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to get access to the latest videos the moment that we upload them. In this tutorial session, I am going to demonstrate to you that it is extremely easy to pass this module. I mean, it is very easy to pass this module, and it is extremely difficult to fail it. Okay, so I'll explain what I mean by that later. Okay, but first let us look at the number of assignments that we have in this module and how to do those assignments. Okay, so we have 7 assignments. 3 of them are accessed through MyUnisa and 4 of them are accessed through the Pearson's website. To get access to the Pearson's website, you will first need to receive a link. The EUP department will send you a link telling you that you can access MyLab assignments because your account is ready. Once that is done, then you can access those assignments. Okay, so assignment number 1 is a discussion assignment. The tools that you need for that is either a phone or a smartphone or a computer. For assignment number 2, you need a computer. For assignment 3, you need either a computer or smartphone. Assignment 4, which is a MyLab assignment, you need either a computer or smartphone. Assignment 5, you need a computer. Assignment 6, a computer or smartphone. And the last assignment, you need a computer. The assignments that requires you to use a computer are assignment 2, 5, and 7. As much as it is possible to have or to access Excel files using a smartphone, there are features that you cannot access when you're using your smartphone. The application that is designed for these assignments is actually the desktop version. Okay, so assignment number 1 contributes 10% towards your final mark. Assignment number 2 contributes 15% towards your class mark. Basically, all your MyLab assignments contribute 15% towards your class mark. Okay, when I say towards your class mark, I don't mean towards your final mark. Okay, so you have assignment number 1, which contributes 10. Assignment number 6 contributes 10. Assignment number 2, number 4, number 5, and number 7 each contributes 15%, and the one that contributes a lot is actually assignment number 3. Okay, so let's assume that you missed assignment number 1, did assignment number 2. Okay, let's say you missed all the discussion assignments but did all your MyLab assignments. Will you still have a fair chance of passing this module? The answer is yes. You still have like a very big chance of passing this module. The only thing that you should avoid doing is missing any of the MyLab assignments. Okay, why? Okay, I'm saying this because MyLab assignments are the easiest. That's where you're supposed to get 100%. For all MyLab assignments, I expect that everyone will get 100%. And if you can do that, you don't really need to do assignment 1, 3, and 6. Okay, because you can easily pass the module. Let's say this student here. This is a typical example, guys. Right? So this student only did MyLab assignments. They had a class mark of 60, which is what you get by, let's say you got 0. You got 0 for assignment 1, which contributes 0 towards your class mark. You got 15 for this one, which is 15, and so on. So that simply means that your average or your class mark, the average is 60. It's 60. That is, you've got 60%. Okay, if you've got 60%, that means you have 48 over 80. Remember, your class mark contributes 80% towards your final mark, and the portfolio contributes only 20% towards your final mark. So if you've got 48 over 80, that's really a good mark. Okay, and if you fail the portfolio by getting 40, you'll still pass the module. You see, you fail the portfolio. You did not write some of the assignment, but you still pass the module. This is why I said passing this module is very, very easy. Okay, this person missed 3 assignments, got 100 for all my lab, and failed the portfolio, yet they still managed to pass the module. That is easy. That is really sick, guys. Okay, let's say you did not fail some of the discussion assignments. Let's say maybe you got 50 for this one. What are the chances that you can get a very good mark? Okay, let's say you got 50 for all the assignments done through my UNISA. Okay, oh sorry, I'm typing on the wrong place here. Okay, I'm typing on the wrong place, so I'm supposed to type here. Okay, you have got 50 here, you got 50 here, you got 50 here. Oh, that, you see, by getting 50 for all the discussion assignments and this quiz, you will have a class mark of you'll have a class mark of 80%. This is sick, guys. This is really sick. So if you've got 80, which is like 64 over 80, and then you fail your portfolio by getting 40, you'll still get a very good mark as your final mark. You'll have 72% for this module. Okay, let's say then okay, you did not really fail the portfolio, you got 60. Will you get a distinction? Definitely. Okay, you see, it is very, very easy to get a distinction in this module. Okay, so let's say that let's assume that you got a good mark for the quiz, since the quiz is very easy. Let's say you got 80. What will be your final? Oh, sorry, again, writing on the wrong place. Okay, you got 80 here. Then what will be your final mark? You see, you're edging closer to 80%. So passing this module is extremely easy. The only thing that you're supposed to do is to make sure that you do your MyLab assignments. Okay, if you do not have a computer, please talk to us. We will assist you with MyLab assignments. We do assist students with assignments. We can write it for you and then send it back to you so that you can submit, or we can submit for you. It is all up to you. Okay, so as you have seen, that this module is one of the easiest modules that you will do at varsity. And remember, you cannot pass this module if you got less than 40 for your portfolio. For the portfolio, the minimum that you can get is 40. Anything less than this, it's a fail. Even if your final mark would have been 74, they will give you 40. They'll say, they'll give you the mark that you got and say that you failed this module. Okay, another thing, even if you get 100% for your portfolio, let's say you got 100% for your portfolio, okay, but failed your assignments. Let's say you did not do all your wrong place again, all your MyLab assignments. Let's say you got 0 for this one, 0 for this one, okay, and got 0 for this one, and 0 for this one. See, you don't really do anything to get 100 here, because you would have failed the module, since your assignments contribute a lot. Okay, let me show you images of students who tried this. Okay, so if you look at this student here, she only contacted us when it was time for exams. She had a very poor class mark. Okay, she had 37.5, and then we helped her get 75 for the portfolio, and she still failed the module. Okay, so you need a very good mark for this. Okay, so if you look at this student here, she had a very good class mark, you see, and she got 73 for her portfolio, and she got her distinction. If you look at this student here, she managed to get 83 as her final mark, because she had a good class mark and performed well on a portfolio. And also this student here, she got a good mark because she had a good class mark. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye.